Hey guys, welcome back to the Sawmill. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I have a 13-foot by 12-inch on the small end red oak on there right now, and I need four 1.5 by 6s, 10-foot long, and I need two 3 by 6s, 13-foot long. This is 13-foot long, so I'm gonna should get everything out of this. This is first cut, first slabbing cut. I take my time on oak, pour a little bit more water to it. This is hot. Dust chute's working good. Just listening to nothing. I'd like to have those backstops up higher, but I'm not going to adjust them now. If you have them up higher, it does turn easier. Those wheels make a world of difference, so I would have never been able to do that as easy. I mean, not easy, but there's a lot of dirt on this side. Sawdust chute's working well. Keep it slow and steady, get a nice cut. I'm finding I really like this oak. I like cutting this oak better than I like cutting anything else. One, there's not a lot of knots in it. It's the same consistency all the way through. You know, you start getting those popples and pine. Everywhere those knots, you start getting those dips. These blades I have are running really well. My last four on oak. Yeah, I have my backstop set at 8, so we're good. Oh, that's pretty thin slice there. Well, guys, we just broke a blade. I knew it. I knew it. Good. I was just saying, I've had some pretty good luck. Okay, I took the idler pulley belt off, or the follower wheel. Yep. Sometimes untangling these. Ooh, it's warm. I had the water pouring into it too. All right, let's get some pliers. I don't have my gloves, of course. battery, guys. This is the 4th time I've ran this without charging it. All I do is put a little trickle charger on it. Hey guys, that's gonna do it. We got what we needed out of that log. I got my 2 3x6s. I've got my 4 2x6s, 1.5 by 6, and various other boards right there. But this one's really curved. But this guy needs 29-inch pieces. So 29 inches, that's not going to leave much curve in here. So I think that will be fine. In fact, I'm going to be cutting him for the guy. So he's going to take him to, I think he's taking him to Florida or making a table or something. I didn't hear the whole story, but I'll get these cut up for him to length now, and that will do it. So guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. It'll really help us out. You take care now and have a great day.